Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna make homemade ice pops. Yum! So what you're gonna need is a banana, some strawberries, about half a cup of orange juice, some little cups or something to put your popsicle in, and some popsicle sticks. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna peel the banana and we're gonna stick it in the blender. Now, I'm gonna cut the stems off of my strawberries and stick them in the blender. Make sure you have a grown-up help you with this part. All right, all my strawberries are in. So now, I'm gonna add some orange juice. This little bit of orange juice in there. And now, I'm gonna put the lid on and I'm gonna blend it up. All right, everything is nice and blended. So now, I'm gonna take my little paper cups and I'm gonna spread them out here. All right, and I'm gonna pour this into the cup. Now, the more bananas and strawberries that you use, the more ice pops you'll get. If you don't have small paper cups, you can also use an ice cube tray, you can use a muffin tin. There's lots of things you can use to make these ice pops. All right, now I'm gonna stick a popsicle stick into the middle of each one. All right, now I'm gonna stick these in the freezer for a couple of hours. All right, now it's been a couple of hours and I just took my ice pops out of the freezer. Now take it and you might have to tear off the cup or it might just lift out. Ta-da! Oh, that is so yummy. If you want more fun activities, check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.